free Minecraft server hosting. That's actually 24/7. I'm having a link of this platform, the video description down there. Look inside the description, click on it, it's going to bring you right here. This is where you're going to get your free Minecraft server hosting. And then when you come here, you see that we have a free server. Yes, the platform is going to give you a free server where you can host your Minecraft, okay? And then as you can see, it needs not to be extended. Okay, so when you come here, you are going to see that we have the free option, and it is totally free for 1 day, but you can always switch email address, or you can also go with this option. When you come here, you see that it says that it's going to give you free premium from 3 months. Okay, so this one is also included in all the plans, okay, which comes with free options as well. Okay, so let me show you what you get from the free hosting actually that this platform provides. So all that you have to do is simply come here to where it says free and then come and click on 1 day. So when you click on 1 day, they are first going to give you an update percentage of 50 off. Okay, so if you want to go with the free plan, this is what you are going to get: one slot, 2 GB RAM. You also need to extend it every 3 hours, limited panel, and then only one location, which is the Czech ping, which is Ukraine. Okay, and this one is the free option that it provides. So when you want to go with the paid one, whereby you get unlimited and all these included, and it's in USA, and this is the amount that you will pay for a paid one. So for the free one, simply come and click on continue with the free plan, and when you click on it, you are going to get your free option. Okay, so you first put in your personal details, then you put in your other details, then the payment details as well. Okay, so the billing details, you can come and then register by simply coming to first put in your name, your last name, email address, then the billing address, you set your country, you set your strong password, you confirm it, then you click on register. It is as easy as that, and you can get your Minecraft hosted for totally free. So if you have any questions, leave in the comment down below, like the video, and then see you in my next video.